Being a millionaire is a potential destination for every aspiring dreamer out there. But you can never bring home the gold unless you have tactics that will help you get there. Find out some of them through this video, and guaranteed you will reach that destination in 5 years' time with real estate. Looking at renowned elite people such as Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Bernard Arnault, and Mark Zuckerberg, there's not many similarities between them that you can find. One focuses on automotive, some on technology, and one in the fashion and retail industry. This means that their net worth isn't based on their specific field, nor is it their age, since they have a wide range of ages. Some of them finished college while some didn't. Almost no sign of common denominator at all. The only thing they have in common is their perseverance to keep creating strategies that will help them grow. Welcome back to our fiery channel. This is Fire. Here we bring you wealth tips, financial advice, cryptocurrency information, and updates on the financial world you should definitely catch up with. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. We make sure we only bring you the best of content. Cash and checks, all limited edition clothes, fine accessories, and exclusive real estate. You're about to know what it takes to get your hands on these possessions that you don't want to miss. We will be showing you 4 strategies to reach for the stars with a fully satisfied bank account and remarkable assets. Share your thoughts in the comments below and watch till the end to find out how you can be financially independent, successful, and wealthy. Let's start. Tip number 1, invest in assets. Assets are a great way to get to the top. If you want to handle your finances in the correct places, you should consider investing it in assets such as real estate. But before doing so, you must keep in mind that everything you're acquiring must be studied first. For an example, if you want to buy a car, you're supposed to learn the basics and data about it, such as the type of car, how many people it can accommodate, what road it is great on, and other information you need to know. This is the same as when investing in real estate. You should understand as much as possible about the many sorts of assets and tactics available before getting into real estate investing. Learn about the responsibilities of property management, how taxes are calculated, and how to obtain financing. There are also wealth generators in real estate, which are as follows: cash flow, tax savings, equity, and appreciation. When you learn how all of these affect your decisions, you can make meticulous plans to benefit from realty. Many publications and resources exist to assist you in learning how to invest in real estate. Getting advice from other investors is also a good idea. Just make sure you're obtaining it from a reputable source. It's much better if you can find yourself a mentor. Tip number 2, plan out your goals. Every journey has a plan where your short-term and long-term goals are highlighted. You can get lost in real estate if you don't polish your procedures to perfection. Even perfection can have a 5% possibility of failing. Who says yours will be flawless? That's why you need to be prepared. You need to go beyond pointing out the fact that you want to acquire real estate and become a millionaire when formulating your real estate goals. Your aspirations should be broken down into benchmarks as well in order to achieve your goals one at a time. You will have to set modest goals that will help you get closer to the larger ones. Determine what you need to accomplish each day until you make it happen slowly. A real estate investing plan can also help you see how you can make everything happen, even if it's from scratch. You may be starting off with a small budget, which will lead you to need to take a different strategy than if you've already saved up enough money to purchase an apartment complex. Nevertheless, a good plan will help you get through this. Do you know someone successful who started from nothing? Did you ask him or her what strategies they used? Comment down below. Before revealing the second half of this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and share Fire with your friends. Spread the good news of financial independence and success. Tip number 3, manage money morally. No matter if you have a stack of money for real estate or none at all, you need to use it wisely and strategically. Begin making proposals on transactions you can take on. It all comes down to perseverance. Someone will ultimately accept if you make enough offers. If you can find a real estate agent that recognizes a solid real estate investment, they can assist you in locating the suitable properties and guiding you through the offer process. Having little to no money could be a dreadful situation, and with that, you may turn to money lenders. If you are taking out loans, it is important to remember to take only low interest rate ones. It may be hard to find such lenders, so be wise with how your money will be paid off if you have high interest rates. Hard money lenders certainly don't care where the down payment comes from as long as the loan is secured by a first position mortgage. Hard money loans typically offer higher inflation, but as long as your deal generates steady income, you're on your way to becoming a real estate magnate. After spending and debt servicing, your properties should generate positive cash flow. As a result, the revenue from the properties will keep on paying down debt and high-risk strategy while also supplying you with a monthly income. Your income rises in lockstep with the growth of your assets. Every month, you'll move closer to your ultimate objective of becoming a real estate mogul. This will make sure that you're reaching your goals. Tip number 4. Collect and possess. It is with no doubt that millionaires with real estate have a lot of possessions. You will need to acquire more assets and buy properties with multiple units. Residential real estate is the simplest and most cost-effective method to get started. But becoming a wealthy man will require more income flow than rental homes can provide. This is why it's critical to go beyond your first rental property. Millionaires often look at the number and quality of properties instead of its price. This is, after all, what makes it worth buying. Next up, you must have large properties for trading, too. The most powerful real estate investors tend to purchase commercial or multifamily buildings. These sorts of properties will create greater revenue, and a 5% rise in the value of a $1 million property will make you far more money than a 5% appreciation in the prices of a residential property. You can also refinance your properties if you have established equity. The cash can be used for other assets you want. This strategy has proven to be successful for rich men who want to make their portfolio thick. Thus, all you need to do is keep on growing your list. This will ensure your benefits while acquiring a lot of possessions for your portfolio. When you've found an investment plan that works for you, be mindful about branching out into other markets and sorts of transactions. Too many businessmen have suffered a loss of a significant portion of their fortune after taking a major risk on a project in an unknown area. Once you've discovered how to become a multimillionaire in real estate, your accomplishment will be primarily determined by the amount of knowledge you've gathered along the way. Understanding even more than you did before while embarking on a new type of investing will assist in the reduction of risks. Now, are you ready for the next 5 years that will show you how these strategies are going to prove to be effective in your life, future millionaire? Like we said in the first few minutes of this video, there is no certain quality that will make you wealthy except your perseverance and attitude in having plans so as to acquire possessions such as real estate. Conquer the lands as you go and aim higher. All right, guys, we're wrapping up today's video, and we hope you enjoyed today's topic. We hope you were inspired to do better and be better. And always remember to be logical and ethical in every decision you're making. Thanks for visiting our channel. This is FIRE, your channel on wealth tips, financial advice, cryptocurrency information, and updates on the financial world that you should definitely catch up with. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and check out more videos like this one on the FIRE channel. Thanks for watching, and of course, see you in the next video.